Suzy. I wanna greet you a happy birthday. I hope tonight your 25th birthday celebration will be one of your most memorable birthday celebrations. Please know that you are surrounded with kind-hearted people, and I know for sure, not just me, they are grateful and blessed to have you sa ilang kinabuhi. Susie, I wish you good health. I wish you success. Everything that your heart desires, I hope mag-grant siya ni Lord. Kay kabalo ko nga, deserve nimo tanan. Looking back sa mga nagyan nato college, especially ikaw Suzy, kabalo ko dili sa yun, napagdaanan nimo sa college. So karon na pwede na mo kaon sa imong mga cravings na dili na maghuna-huna sa pag-budget sa imuhang allowance. I'm just so grateful. I'm just so happy nga finally Suzy, now that we are grown-ups, ikaw ma-achieve na dyan mo tanan gusto nimo. And Suzy, I'm so proud of you. Although lahi-lahi na tag-priorities karon and we do not talk often, dili na kita kakita often, but please know that I always include you in my prayers. So, again, proud ko sa imo ha. And I'm so happy sa unsay naa ka karon. And just enjoy your birthday tonight. Okay? I love you, Suzy.
Hi Sus, happy birthday. Thank you sa imong generous, si generosity. Eme lang, bitaw, thank you sa imong ka-generous sa amo, and even sa imong family po, sa imong kabutan. So, thank you kaayo good. I mean, as a friend, even workmate, I'm very blessed na I've come to know lovely Santa Maria na shit. Putang ina. Ay, sorry. Hopefully, have a wonderful day today, and hopefully, ma-enjoy jud pud ni may mahal day, no? And I just pray na more blessings to come, jud, sa imong work, sa inyong duha, even sa mga family, even sa mga dreams, jud. So, I pray na come into reality gito tanan, ma-fulfill gito tanan yung mga dreams, not just sa imong even sa mga family po. And kato lang, padayon sa pagka-slay, as always, like we always say na lovely Santa Maria na, ti, hindi ka mabalak ka. Si lovely na, happy birthday. Kana lang, that's it. This is Miss Cynthia.
Hi love, happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday ahead and a year full of growth, peace, gentle love, and pure happiness. Happy birthday.
Hi loves, happy birthday. I am so proud of you for reaching this age and for doing so much more for yourself and for your family. And I hope you continue to do more for yourself and also continue to making your life better and for your family as well. And thank you for being such a good friend. Happy birthday, loves. Enjoy your day.
Eme lang. Hi, love. Happy birthday. Kamangit na ako. Di ba na yung static? Nagulo ko mata, tapos nagkauli ko. Nag-update. Dili, happy birthday, love ko. Wish na ko is tanan maayo. All the good in life. Wish na ko maayong panglawas sa imong family, sa imong family. And ayun ako na naman sa mga tanan lang boy. Bless man kaayo ka. Pero wish na gyapon ako na ipadayon ni Lord ang imong pagka-bless sa financial, sa health especially, and also sa safety sa imong haog sa imong family. Tapos Nora, to na naman si mo tanan basta ginawish ako ginahope tanan maayos sa inyo. O stay pretty, stay sexy. Sama to. Padayon sa pagkabuotan, pagkagwapa, pagka-sexy. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, love. More birthdays and more blessings to come. Stay humble and pretty as you are. God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Hi lovely, happy birthday, and unta matupad mo ay mga birthday wishes, and enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday, wish you all the best and God bless. Salamat sa friendship. Bye.
Happy birthday, lovely. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo.
Hi love, happy birthday. First of all, I want to say that I'm very proud of you sa tanan mong challenges, hardships na imong nagian. I'm so proud to say that na friend na ka and tanan na imong na overcome. More birthdays to come. God bless your family and especially you. I know it's a very cliche na phrase, but it's very important to say. And again, happy birthday, love. I love you so much. Ikaw dyan ba akong first friend sa John Paul, and I'm very proud to say that na ikaw akong na friend. Happy birthday, love. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lovely.
We love you.
We love you. We love you.